Hey, 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 hey.
Yes, I'm about to do this again.
Hey, 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 hey. Get that mess out of here.
Did you get it?
I
Yeah, I
blocked it.
did.
I blocked it.
That's funny. I have this. We have this to play. Have this to play basketball.
Yeah, if you don't get that mess out of here, don't bring that mess in my house. I will block it every time. And then I do this number.
you say you're blocking every time.
Every single time.
Well, we gotta do that when we get back. To
Okay, I get that mess out of here.
we gotta bring that video when we get back.
He say the way they doing them hawks right now, they cooking up something bold and spicy.
I thought you were going to say something about when those ladies were cooking up some bold and spicy. Cooking up that queso dip.
Yeah, I thought it was gumbo.
Yeah, me too. I thought it was gumbo too. Oh, look at that. Hey, what? Get the water. Oh, yeah. You didn't do it that other day. They look like they it up. You can paint it. Yeah, hey Joe, that man has I'll have that in the back of my yard, but it will be somewhere where people can just run up, just jump off.
I'll be out there chilling, listen to the water.
Like this.
I might doze off out there.
This might be dozing off back there, and then gonna have nets and
Can you hear something?
Watch out. I'm not moving that fast.
Alright. And then Dustin gonna be experiencing some nets and flies and water and dragonflies and whatever it is. And then Dustin gonna have to come get me because they bit him.
Then what you gonna do, Jazzy?
I'm gonna take you in the house,
Uh-huh.
get you all wiped up,
Uh-huh.
get some Neosporin,
All right.
put some alcohol on you.
Who that's gonna burn? You got a peroxide? Peroxide don't burn.
Okay, I'm gonna change that to peroxide.
Thank you very much.
You working with boys?
Uh-huh.
And then I'm gonna put a Band-Aid on you.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm gonna tell you, come on in the house so you can stay from outside where the nets and flies are at.
Right.
And then I'm gonna give you a bottle of water and a snack. And I'm gonna tell you, go in there and watch some TV. Stay out in the sun.
Nice.
And then later, I'm gonna have a cookout.
Who gonna cook?
You, of course. And I'm gonna have my ooh, that's a nice sized house. Look at that. That is nice. I have Robert come through, hook us up with his special cooking, however he likes to do it. And then I have all the cousins come over from my side, on that side of the family, and we just have a ball.
Nice.
And that's what I call a good day.
I agree.
Like I said, I'm gonna have a bowling alley.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have a big game room.
What's up? What y'all trying to do?
You are. And
Oh,
then I'm gonna have a basketball court.
you just want to keep going? You can keep going, but it's good.
Man, you want to eat shade?
They sweating.
Yeah, you want to wipe them off? Get that back, though. That's the only dry one I got left. Oh, no. I was talking about this part. Well, I guess you can wipe the nose part.
Yeah, and I put it on you so they wouldn't wet.
Yeah, but I took them off before I started sweating on my nose.
And I had the swimming pool.
Uh-huh. Jed, you can have a pool and you don't even like the water?
I like the water, but I'm doing this for you.
Oh, gotcha. That's super sweet.
Yeah, I'm doing this for all the family. All the family can be out from the hot heat. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Keep them cool.
Hmm.
I do like the water, but I'm just not gonna get in it. Put my feet in the water, and that's about it. And I'm gonna have I think I'm gonna have I don't know. I might have a DJ. I'm gonna tell you it may come back. I might do a family day for the kids and stuff. Let them jump on the trampoline and stuff like that.
Right.
And I'm gonna have people put it together for me. Now I'm gonna have to pay them a lot of money to do all that. Then I'm gonna have a shower. There you go. After you finish, playing ball, y'all can go take a shower or get in the sauna. The hot sauna.
Now, this was fun. Let's go back the other way. This is 1.7 miles.
Dang.
I thought this was where we.
I mean, if we had time, but if it closes at 4:30.
Can you say I don't have on the right shoes anyway? What do you say, Kenny? And then I'm gonna have locker where y'all can put your